Hotel industry fundamentals have never been better, and a flurry of construction, renovation, rebranding and conversion projects are in progress throughout the country. In this programme, I'm going to look at 3 rules of renovation. It's estimated that in the past 3 years, over 1.2 million hotel rooms have been renovated. Renovation numbers are predicted to decline as strong operating profitability discourages owners from making rooms unavailable through renovation. However, for those willing to make upgrades, here are some pointers for making renovation decisions that can help your bottom line. Firstly, property improvement plans aren't cost neutral. An effective PIP should help increase market share, improve guest satisfaction, drive revenue and raise profitability. A hotel renovation project should begin by considering the budget and scope of the project and how these can align with the owner's business plan. Though many owners don't do so, PIP projects should always start with design professionals. If owners don't go this route, projects frequently go over budget. The best way to avoid this is to involve a good general contractor early. Contractors will watch costs and timeline and involve whichever professionals are required. It's sensible to leverage the existing asset to emphasize the hotel's strengths. Owners with 1 or 2 hotels sometimes miss the big picture, which is why it's crucial to get the right parties involved to keep the project heading in the right direction. Decisions made solely on budget may require cuts in quality that will limit the ability to sell the property later. If the cost is greater than available funds, phase the project so you can stay within budget. Secondly, always plan for the future. With evolving technology, hoteliers must constantly innovate to keep guests connected. Many guests don't want to download a hotel app, particularly for a single stay. The simplest way around this is for hotels to communicate with their guests via the messaging apps they prefer and use every day, like WhatsApp and Facebook Messenger. Loyalty is not just about discounts, it's about the whole guest experience. Global hotel groups with tens of thousands of guests that might otherwise struggle to deliver personal experiences are turning to machine learning and artificial intelligence. 2 of the main benefits of cloud computing are cost and scalability. Studies have shown that compared to on-premise systems, IT costs can be halved by moving to the cloud. With cloud systems, there is no software or hardware to purchase initially. Once the application is deployed, the tech vendor manages operational maintenance remotely with minimal demands on hotel employees. As new properties are opened, the same operating system can essentially be copied and pasted from one property to another. When the next big tech invention seems to arrive every week, guests require hotels to stay current. Travelling can take its toll and sometimes leaves guests feeling vulnerable without the comforts of home. These comforts increasingly involve technology, so it's important to ensure that guests have convenient access to the latest tech amenities and services. Finally, third, sustainable design saves money. Guests, investors, owners, employees and brands worldwide are displaying a growing interest in responsible environmental practices, sustainable tourism, social welfare, corporate governance and transparency. Increasing guest and employee expectations are driving the hotel industry to prioritise decarbonisation initiatives, sound environmental stewardship and responsible social policies and practices. Whether it's water conserving fixtures or LED lighting, sustainability initiatives not only increase environmental responsibility, but can also dramatically reduce costs. Changing to LED lights can translate into an overall reduction in energy consumption of over 30%. One property has reported significant results after installing an on-site solar farm and wind turbine. Rotating solar panels track the sun throughout the day, allowing the resort to run entirely on renewable energy, enabling the resort to lock in a price for electricity and avoid rising costs. Their manager told me, not only does renewable wind and solar energy make sound business sense, it has also significantly improved customer relationships. It's been a real boost to our business. Taking the first steps towards becoming more sustainable and cutting costs needn't entail huge investment or inconvenient downtime. Sustainability is not about making one big change. It's the sum of many small changes working together. I'm Paul from Bezla. If we could be of service to your hotel marketing, visit our website at bezla.com or give us a call at 888 999 8086. Thank you for watching today.